Y'all, it's Glenda with our Sweet Home Life. Hope you're having a good day. Well, today I am making some ham and cheese sliders with poppy seed dressing. I'm using savory butter King Hawaiian rolls. I got the big pack. I've got a half a pound of Swiss cheese from the deli. I have a pound of ham, the sweet ham. And so I'm going to start by taking my rolls and slicing them all in two. So let's get started today on this delicious recipe that you can use for a party. You can use for a tailgate party, a Christmas party, a New Year's Eve party, whatever kind of get-together that you're having. These are so easy and so delicious. And I'm just going to take them out of the bag. Look how beautiful those look. Don't those look delicious? Okay, just leave them on there. That'll work. And then I'm just going to take these and slice them. And then leave them together. Just slicing them all the way through. Let me make sure, see if I got the other side. With this big pack, it's kind of hard to get them all the way through. Okay, now what we would like to do is leave these together. Let me move those that I'm going to be using out of the way because we're going to bake these in about a 300-degree oven. We're going to try to take these and just turn them out like that. Okay. Hope you can see that. Whoops. Hope you can see that. So we're kind of just going to leave them like that. I got to get some mayo, so we are going to put a little bit of mayo on these. We'll just put a thin layer on this side. Now mayo's up there with sugar and butter. It makes everything good, doesn't it? Okay, so we're just spreading some of this mayo out. Get some on the edges. But of course, when we pour that poppy seed dressing on there, it's going to help moisten them up too. So we're going to pour it on them right before we put them on the oven to bake. Right now, I'm just going to prep them and put them back in the fridge. And then when I get ready to bake them, I'm going to pour that dressing on top of them and bake them for about 20 minutes until they're good and brown. And they're going to be so good. I love these things. I've had them at parties before, and they are so good and so easy to make. Okay, now we're going to take half of our ham and lay it on the and overlap it. So. It's going to be good, y'all. That's what Granny would say. Nothing but good. Okay, so we got our ham. Now we're going to take our cheese, and then we're going to make another layer. It's our cheese. Lots of good cheese, y'all. You know me, I love cheese. I think most people do. It's right up there too with something that makes everything good. It's cheese. Right? Right. Okay, and now we're going to take another layer of our ham. Looking good, y'all. Looking real good. Looking real good. Then we'll take it and bake it in the oven, like I said, on about 350-degree oven after we pour a sauce on it. But for right now, I'm going to put mine back in the fridge. I'm just trying to get things together because I got to put on a formal dress, and I didn't want to do this with my formal dress on. So let's see if we can keep these together so we can slice that meat all the way through. Okay. Then I'm going to put them in my dishes. Okay. My big old knife. Here it is. Let's get it and cut this through. All the way through. So you can kind of assemble these and then put them back in the fridge, and then right before your party, pour your dressing on them and put them in the oven. Kind of slice that way. Now let's go back this other way. Slice them all the way through. Now, got that done. Now what I'm going to try to do is put this little box back together and put them back in the bag and put them in the fridge. Hopefully that'll work for me until I get ready to bake them. Okay, I'm back and I have taken them out of the refrigerator and put them in my dishes that I'm going to bake them in. The oven is preheating to 350. And then I'm just going to take some of this wonderful dressing. This is Kraft Poppy Seed Dressing. And just spread over them. I believe these are going to be so good. Got my little brush here, and I'm just going to brush them on there. You're supposed to serve them while they're still warm. Looking so good. This poppy seed dressing. I don't know if you've ever ate any or not, but it is really good dressing. Really like it. Smells so good too. And so that is so easy to make for your next party that you may be having and you're looking for an appetizer. These are so good, y'all. Thanks for watching MoeJoe and Glenda, and we'll see you next time. So I'm just going to pop these in the oven now and let the cheese melt and for them to get really hot all the way through and brown a little bit on top for about 20 minutes. We'll see you next time for our next recipe. Thank you so very, very much for joining us. Be sure to subscribe, give us a like, and share with your friends. Bye. Okay, there they are. They look yummy, 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 y'all. The cheese is all melted. And they're going to be nothing but good, as Granny'd say. Thank you for watching us. We appreciate you so much. Bye.